calling you out on what you've done. I want you to feel the way I do. I'm starting to hate what I've become, and it's all because of you. You put on me was enough to drag me down. Took everything I had to keep me hanging on. I've been down so long, I've seen the bottom from below. I watch you walk all over me. I'm over this. I beat my head against the wall. I force my pieces back to hold. I found my way back from the dead to live my life again. You've done. I want you to feel the way I do. I'm starting to hate what I've become, and it's all because